Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to showcase that how SFCC documentation is being organized. So in previous days, when it was demandware has a central place info center where all the documentation were residing, and everyone, developer and non-developers, everyone was reaching to that area and figuring it out his or her topics. Now once Salesforce has taken it over, they have distributed into the two or three parts, and one for admin and another one is for developer. Now let's quickly see that how it has been organized, and links are already in the description, so you can take a look. So first one is help.salesforce.com, and once you will be here in the commerce area, you will see that it contains the B2C commerce release notes. Here you will, once you will click on this one, it will give you the all the release notes which have been produced, because Salesforce have every month release, so they give the details here. And then the another area is B2C commerce. So this area is popular for non-dev folks, which want to which need they want to see that how this whole SFCC is working. So once you will click on this, it will open this page. uh, so in this one, it's a little slow to load. Okay, so in this one you will see the necessary concepts and terminology, B2C commerce tools, browser which is being used, and then more details under the marketizing. So for example, how you will manage the categories, or will create a categories into the business manager, how you will create a products, manage page designer, how will you create a page designer, content slot. So for non developers, so who want to manage the business manager and manage the business manager by the configurations, so this is the place where you can get all the necessary information. So it's good for the developers as well as non-developers, because it will give you all the necessary information for the SFCC business manager functionality and the SFCC functionalities. uh, Now the second piece is, which is more for the developer, because it contains about the coding stuff. Now that one is that link is developer.salesforce.com. So first one was the help.salesforce.com. Now this is developers.salesforce.com, and once you will be on this area, you will see B2C commerce and developer resources, commerce API. So this the first tile covers the developer related information, about the coding, like the ISML module, factories, and whatnot. This developer resource contains the class information, and B2C commerce API contains the SCAPI and OCAPI, the APIs, and then last one is the API stuff. And here it's a SFR related information. It is a composable storefront related information which you can take a look. So once you will click on the B2C commerce, you will see the concept and terminology, and in the under development component you will see the information about the cartridges, controller, and the script stuff. More, if you will go into the more detail, here you will see the information about the on-demand sandbox, code deployment, business objects, that what business objects are, site performance, and all. Here, document resources, you can take a look of the script API, pipelet APIs, and all, troubleshooting stuff, inventory, and whatnot. So this contains the necessary information which a developer is more interested, that how so that they can understand, they can take a look, and then they can use it to build the functionality for the business. uh, Once you will click on the other tile, let's quickly go back. Here in the developer resource, it will give you the class level information. So here it is giving you the current release and whatnot. And then when you're clicking on the commerce API, and let's say that you click on category, so now it is giving you the category class properties as well as functions, so developer can take a look and then we can use the necessary properties and function. uh, Now if you will go to the business B2C commerce API, so it will give you the SCAPI information. OCAPI is being outdated now, so it's a recommendation that if you are using it, please try to use SCAPI. uh, so it is giving you all the necessary information about those APIs which you can use. For example, here it's a product API. Second, yeah, it's a product API. So it will give you all the necessary information that how you'll use it, endpoints. So for example, get product. So this is how you will get the product. So and then as I said that other one is for Einstein API. And so yes, you can take a look of these two area, developers.salesforce.com and help.salesforce.com. These are the two areas where where all the documents are situated. So it is, if you are in demandware or say SFCC words since years, it will be little uncomfortable for the first time, but it has been pretty well organized now. So once you are comfortable, you will feel good because now you do not need to find everything in one giant place. It has been distributed beautifully. So thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.